YouTube generates billions of views every day, and these views translate into big bucks for creators who can capitalize on the online platform. If you don't have any idea where to start, these ideas could potentially take your channel to the next level to help you become the next big thing on YouTube. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 8. Fitness, health. Some of the most popular YouTube channels out there deal with the aspect of health and/or fitness. Why not throw your hat into the ring and try your hand at this niche that has lots of room for growth, especially as it pertains to smaller channels? There can be one aspect of fitness you have found an interest in. Think Pilates, yoga, the list can go on. But what matters is how you can present things in a unique format. Try your best to think about what kind of audience you have in mind, the kind of content you think you have a passion for, and can approach with an innovative mind, and how you intend to deliver your message through the medium of your channel. Apart from fitness, you can explore other aspects of health, such as nutrition. Some people claim to want to live healthier and may need some suggestions on how to go about that. For instance, health is a broad definition, and according to the World Health Organization, this may be used to describe a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Thus, there are many opportunities for your channel to focus on other aspects of health, besides physical fitness, such as mental, emotional, or even spiritual. The key would be to try to keep focus on one area you want to explore more in depth, and use your channel and regular uploads to do so. In this way, you can easily build a following of viewers, and eventually subscribers, who always return for your unique content. Number 7. Unique talents. Are you excellent at solving a Rubik's Cube? Maybe you have excellent memory, or can play several instruments extremely well. Whatever your talent may be, now is the time to show it to the world. However, simply posting videos of what you can do will only get you so far. Instead, think about presentation. How can you get the viewer interested in what you're doing that no one else is? You have to do something everyone else can in a way no one else has done. This is where you combine your talent, but use it in a niche way that has never been done before. In this way, you set yourself apart from others who may be posting the same talent on the site, and instead, viewers will be able to differentiate you and may be more likely to give your channel a boost in this way. Good luck! Number 6. Micro skill sets. According to YouTube, YouTube Shorts is a short-form video experience for creators and artists who want to shoot short, catchy videos using nothing but their mobile phones. This short-form video content has absolutely exploded in recent times, and projections are that they are only set to grow more by millions of views. The advantage to this short format is its high shareability, meaning there is a much higher chance of creating a video that could go viral. For those with a particular skill talent or any of the previously mentioned ideas, you can choose to package these using the 60-second time frame of a short. Feel free to edit your video in a way that creates a smooth replay or loop, as this will also give you an advantage of making a quick, snappy, fun video for your viewers. An additional advantage is that you can use your shorts in a way to highlight your longer content. Try to edit and engage audiences by using these clips as a teaser, and once you've reached enough viewers, they may be also interested in following up on your channel and promoting you by subscribing. Number 5. Side hustles. It's 2022, the year of the side hustle. With inflation being a hot-button topic, almost everyone now is trying to create other streams of income to compensate for the drastic changes in economical life that almost every person in the world is facing. One tried-and-true channel idea would be to focus on a side hustle. This is a side job that helps someone supplement their primary income, and many people are looking to develop one that works for them. With your channel, you can opt to focus on one specific side hustle and document your journey, whether you have found success in that area or are seeking to improve and profit at some point in the future. Viewers want to know there is someone else who's done it before, and when you create actionable steps in terms of how to get started and maintain your updates, many more people will flock to your channel to see how you've expanded on your particular side hustle. Another option would be to make reference to several different side hustles on your channel. Share information with the public on what works and what doesn't, the major trends in business that will create other opportunities as a side effect, the actionable steps anyone can take to ensure they find success in their particular endeavor. There's a space for you to post your content for people searching for more information. Take advantage of the opportunity now before someone else does, and see to it that you always present your information in an insightful, engaging manner that ensures viewers will return for more, and you can establish loyalty in your audience. Number 4. Personality focus. Apart from hidden or unique talents, a space has also been created for those who seek to share their expertise with others. The internet is about connections. Maybe you have knowledge in a certain field and want to share that with others. Some viewers may also be curious about the lifestyle that your particular expertise has to offer. You can perhaps review fiction with the eyes of an expert, offer insights and opinions in layman's terms to make your field more readily understandable, to see how this may be applied in the lives of others. Another option would be to document your daily experience in your life and share what aspects you find central to your routines that for other people may seem novel and fascinating, or maybe even downright unappealing. Even so, you can be the window into more private and less talked about areas, and will be rewarded for such. Keep uploading consistently to ensure your audience knows you're here to stay, and don't be afraid to go out of your comfort zone and show your personality. At the end of the day, you are both an expert and a person with feelings and emotions like everyone else. Use this to your advantage to add more nuance to the online persona you've created, to ensure that you've made a connection with your viewers and potential subscribers that will only grow stronger with your hard work. Number 3. Personal vlogs. This takes the previous point of personality focus one step closer. In this case, you're taking video logs of your daily life, or if you want to focus on just one aspect of your life. Everything around you is an advantage, as your unique environment in your part of the world will automatically set you apart from other people. In this way, you can build your audience based on location. Someone living in Hawaii will be able to document what tropical living is like, and be more specific in terms of what you think your city or life has to offer that someone else may not, or may want to learn about. Video logs are one idea that leaves room for versatility and creativity, and the potential for varying themes in your daily life can range from the simplest, shortest video to the longer, more in-depth takes. Consider travel video logs as well, once the means are available to you, as visiting other countries will always be a heavily researched topic that many new viewers can discover if you upload your videos as an option to watch. There are also many formats that travel vlogs can take, and so always be sure to infuse your personality and creativity into your content so that your viewers can connect and identify with you. When it comes to vlogging, the sky's the limit. Number 2. Beauty. The cosmetic and beauty industry generates more than $15 billion worth of sales each year. It's an ever-growing and shifting market that allows for new entries at any point in time. This might be your year to capitalize on the market with new ideas that only you have. The range includes anything you find yourself interested in, from makeup and skincare to healthcare. Create content that makes you happy. If makeup is your passion, then follow it. Be sure to take pointers from other beauty influencers and see what's worked for making their channels the powerhouses they are today. Always push for authenticity in your videos, unless you decide to play a character, regardless of what you're doing. And try to be as innovative as possible when it comes to presenting your particular style online. If you're an expert in any of these fields and provide information, then you can post videos explaining certain aspects and procedures or products in the industries and detail their benefits and advantages. Otherwise, you can do anything, such as reviewing makeup, but make sure your presentation is as unique as possible. Feel free to experiment. Before we get into the number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. Documentaries. Longer form content. A documentary may be defined as a film which shows real events or provides information about a particular subject. And documentary videos abound on YouTube, with some as many as tens of millions of views. As it is an already well-known fact that high-quality videos do gain more traction with the YouTube algorithm due to increased watch time, longer-form content in the form of documentaries could be your way to hit things off on the site. The key is to research in depth the topic you choose to cover. Be sure to become a reliable source in whatever story you're about to tell. Don't be afraid to include interesting facts you found during your research that may not have been general knowledge previously. And be sure to visualize, plan, and execute the concept you have envisioned for your YouTube video. Make sure to check out the next video about how to start and grow your YouTube channel from zero. See you there!